Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Chrome is current. This prevents compatibility blocks. Once done, open Chrome, / extensions to view blocked items in Chrome, / flags to access experimental controls. Make sure to note the extension ID or name so you can track changes. You will enable safe settings first, not risky flags, because a staged approach reduces breakage. Now, keep both tabs visible. You will toggle permissions and flags in sequence, so being organized speeds the process and avoids missteps. Next, work through each extension's details page to adjust permissions and diagnose the block. Toggle Allow in Incognito briefly to see if the block is profile-specific. Once tested, turn it off if it caused issues. Enable Allow access to file URLs only when the extension legitimately needs local files, because unnecessary access creates security warnings. If permissions look correct, but it's still blocked, remove and reinstall the extension. This clears corrupted data and often restores normal operation. Finally, restart Chrome and if needed, reboot your machine to apply permission changes and clear cache artifacts. If you adjusted Chrome, / flags and see instability, reset those flags to their default values. Experimental flags can block extensions. Make sure to test the extension in a fresh Chrome profile or guest mode. This isolates profile-specific conflicts. If it works there, migrate settings selectively. If not, the extension itself may be deprecated or require an update from the developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.